Really good. There you go, Bill. Really good. Cool. Good. Go straight ahead. Really good. Cool, huh?
Yes.
Really nice. And circle down here. Really good. Right. Good. Good. And then change direction. There you go. Good. Straight ahead. Good. And then circle. Easy. There you go. There you go. Good. Good. Uh-huh.
What I just did there to slow down.
Yeah.
It's the wrong thing to try to slow Junior down.
That's it. Good. 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 Stay on the circle. Good. And then when you're ready, go up to the canter. Don't shock her. Give her a little warning. That's it. Keep a little feel of her. There you go. There you go. Good. 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 Little feel of her. Yep. Take a little feel. There you go. There you go. There you go. Very good. Very good. That's it. That's it. Good. This is the rhythm of the canter that you want. And trot. Take your time. Good. Help her. Help her. Yeah. Good job. Good. Good. Good.